we are at the end of the story, that is The Merchant of Venice. After Portia, in the disguise of a lawyer, had won the case for Antonio, Bassanio went to thank her. अब जब ये सारा किस्सा ख़त्म हो गया तो पोर्शिया के पास बसानियो पहुंच गया to thank her for saving life of his friend, for literally killing Shylock physically and mentally also. He of course did not know who she was. He asked her to accept a gift. Portia at first refused to receive any, but when Bassanio insisted, she suggested that he could give her the ring on his finger. तो बसानियो ने इसको शुक्रिया अदा किया, तो उसने कुछ गिफ्ट देना चाहा बसानियो, लेकिन उसने रिफ्यूज़ किया पोर्शिया ने. बट ही देन जब उसने बहुत ज़्यादा इंसिस्ट किया तो पोर्शिया ने क्या मांगा? रिंग ऑन हिज फिंगर. नाउ बसानियो वाज इन अ डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन because he had promised never to part with the ring. He told Portia that the ring was valueless and he wanted to give her something of real value. अब he tried to play कि नहीं ये अच्छी चीज़, ये उतनी कीमती नहीं है, I will give you something. But Portia, in disguise of a man, forced to get it. But Portia wanted that very ring. Bassanio told her that the ring had been given by his wife and she should not like him to part with it. Indeed, she had even made him promise that he would never do. So he appealed to Portia to ask for some other thing, but Portia turned away pretending to be angry. ठीक है, तो पोर्शिया भी पार्ट कर रही है ज़बरदस्त, उसको बोल रही नहीं मुझे यही चाहिए. तो फाइनली बसानियो बोलता है कि मेरी बीवी ने मुझे दिया हो एंड आई हैव प्रॉमिस्ड हर दैट आई वोंट टेक इट आउट. तो बट पोर्शिया प्रिटेंड करती है गुस्सा होने का. Antonio thought that she was feeling insulted. Dear Bassanio, said Antonio, let him have the ring. Let my love and the great service he has done for me be valued against wife's displeasure. Poor Bassanio had to agree. How could he say no to Antonio, who had risked his life for him? So he very unwillingly gave the ring. बीच में Antonio और बोलता है कि अगर मेरी जान बचाने के बाद इसने जो मेरी जान बचाई है, तुम्हारी बीवी थोड़ी आपसे थोड़ा सा बेरुखी भी इख्तियार कर लेगी, लेकिन आप इसको ये रिंग दे दीजिए. तो Bassanio couldn't say anything and he gave ring to Portia, say Balthasar. Just as Antonio was leaving the court, news came that Antonio's ships, which were thought to have been lost, had safely arrived at port. Filled with joy, the two friends now hurried to Belmont to tell Portia the story of the great good fortune. तो जो ही ये कोर्ट रूम से निकलने वाले थे तो एक न्यूज़ आ गई कि जो एंटोनियो है उसके शिप्स पोर्ट पे बस सही सलामत पहुंच गए हैं. तो दे बोथ रैन टू पोर्शिया टू टेल द whole scenario and the story. When Bassanio reached Belmont, he wanted to hide the fact that he no longer had the ring, but Portia soon found that he had not the ring on his finger. When he did not produce it, she told him with a serious face that he had broken his promise. जब Bassanio Belmont पहुंच गया तो he tried to hide that he has no ring on his finger, but Portia उसको पता चल गई, and then she told him that आपने मेरा promise तोड़ा. That Antonio asked Portia to forgive Bassanio. Portia pretended to agree. She said to Bassanio, here is another ring, see that you don't lose this one too. Bassanio looked at the ring. It was exactly like the first. As he stood there staring at it, Portia gave a merry laugh and told them the whole story. ठीक है, तो एंटोनियो इसको बोलता है पोर्शिया को, इसको आप माफ़ कर दीजिए. पोर्शिया बोलती ओके डन, बट ये अपनी रिंग जो इसने वहाँ उससे ली थी कोर्ट रूम से बसानियो से, वही बोलती है मेरे पास दूसरी रिंग है, इसको भी नहीं खो देना. जब बसानियो ने ये दूसरी रिंग देखी तो वो खड़े रह गया. एंड देन पोर्शिया ने बहुत हंसा और उसके बाद उनको सारी स्टोरी बता दी. ठीक है, टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इट्स questions and the rest of the language work. Thank you so much.